Hi, Ben. Let's take a look at your course's information in WIDS. So I've already logged into the WIDS system. At the left here in my search box, I'm going to enter your catalog number and press enter. That'll give me your course name. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then that'll advance me to your course's information in the WIDS system. So there's tabs along the top. We can look at the outline of instruction, the syllabus, the learning plans, the paths, and other related documents. So I have on the screen the outline of instruction. I'll export this and email it to you. In Unit 1, we're to take a look at, in Unit 1, we're to take a look at the course's information, its outline of instruction, so you'll have that. But I want to show you some other things. At the left here, I'm going to click on Course Competencies. And in Unit 2, we examine our exit learning outcomes. So this is where I can see the core workforce skills for this class. So I'll let those load. And currently there are none tied to this specific course. And that's okay. It just means that this course hasn't been identified as either a place where students practice those core workforce skills nor assess them. So that's all right. Also, I'll click on Program Outcomes, and it's going to show no records. And we know you won't have any program outcomes because this course is used for multiple programs. So it's not tied, it doesn't have one specific program that it's tied to. And then external standards, again, will have no information to share with us because we don't have any external standards. Students who take this class don't have to take a state exam or a national exam or anything like that. And those are the external standards. So this information should get you started. Watch for that email. And then later on, I'll make another video so that we can examine the parts of the performance assessment task. And I'll export that document and send it to you so you can work with it as well. In the meantime, if you have any questions at all, feel free to email me.